guys, we'll be playing Among Us. I don't know what this is, but it is Among Us Story.
Among Us Story. Yes.
Let's see how scary it is. Let's go.
Oh,
I just
it's
joined
already
my
done.
friend.
Come here. There's more. Come on. The timer. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Is that supposed to be
Oh,
scary?
no, that's scary.
Most people
this
find
is-
this disturbing,
Yeah,
so
this
this is a
very
warning.
scary.
Warning. Most people think this is disturbing, so you might not want to watch if it is disturbing for you.
Come on, Elizabeth. Come on. Oh, helping. Helping. Princess,
And let me
that is the girl. Princess, that is the girl. That is the ghost.
yeah.
Told ya, he's pink. Princess, tanaw ko ni dito.
Yeah, I saw that. Like the woman over there.
Why not?
I hate this game.
Why?
They're also ugly.
Oh,
Nine. Bang bang. Nine. Bang bang.
ping ping, ping ping.
Nine for reload.
I'm out
Bang
of
bang
fire.
for gun. Bang bang.
We can find you some firewood. Also, need chickens. Can someone
You mean
here help me?
human?
Help
Hmm?
some
You
chickens.
need some human, huh? You liar.
Alright.
Liar, Nine. Yeah, also, I forgot to mention, you're so ugly.
What? Oh, let's go collect some.
I found some
Oh,
chicken.
chicken. Lava lava. Let's collect some. Oh, good thing. How many arrows? How many arrows? I'm so scared. Where are you? What is I'm so scared. So go. Come sit with me, princess. No. Dini. Din. Oh,
I
no.
couldn't sit down.
Sit down, magyapon ka. Oh, that's real. This is gonna be so creepy.
Oh man, I never signed up for this.
My mom got very ill, so my
Ugly.
dad had to take her to a
I hate the eyes, so big. And this guy is like so tiny.
It would take them a month until they returned.
Guys,
Oh. Mina, you're so ugly.
I saw my face. Look behind it.
For you to return.
Ni Peng. Ang behind ni Peng kay ako.
You didn't come to me for a long time. I miss you both.
Why are they keep looking at each other? So suspicious. This game is so...
gonna be suspended.
Since you are here now,
Yeah, I hope we survive.
Si Painay.
If
Ba't
we
meron
don't,
na si Maynay?
we'll play this again and try to beat it.
Why you're being na siya?
Yeah, ugly Nine.
come back and
I-push ba?
If you're truly off the firewood, means you're a monster because monster don't like some lights.
Awa, ako behind.
Yes, I see you. See your hand. See your hand. Oh, it's my hand. Oh, you literally offset?
Yeah, I already see that.
Monster don't like some lights.
Uy, I need to go to the bathroom. You take care there.
There's no bathroom.
You stay.
There's no bathroom.
I need
It's a village.
No, in real life.